nervous. I'm looking forward to see the mentors again.
May konting kaba ba? Because alam ko this is the first time that you will be seeing them all together and it's also the last time.
Of course, meron. Pero I know na I will get a lot from them. It's for my own improvement as well.
Okay, Enzo, it's time to face the mentors. Go ahead.
Okay naman po.
How do you assess yourself in acting, in singing, and in dancing? Do you think you are good?
Para sa akin, hindi po yung term na good po. Dahil I know na may...
Ano ang term mo doon? Kung hindi good, ano?
Improving po.
Okay. And so, alam mo, para mag-improve ang isang tao, kailangan alam nila ang estado nila. Okay? Hindi pwedeng you're just open and you just want to improve.
Yeah. Kailangan yung mula sa loob, yung passion. Alam mo, pati yung sa pag-awit,
kulang sa emotion.
Nababawan ako talaga.
Kasi
kabit-kabit yun lahat.
explain natin bakit.
Sige.
Kasi when we were looking at the videos, parang si Enzo, mula nung simula, parang okay. Tapos next video,
lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Hindi namin nakitang zoom. Parang,
Oo nga.
now, Enzo, ano ang... I just wanna know, ano yung plano mo? Kasi malapit na eh. How do you plan to win this? Kailangan may strategy eh.
My strategy is first, of course, to work hard po on in every challenge that is given to me. Dahil it's been a great blessing talaga na nandito na ako sa Starstruck. So why not make the most out of everything? I always have to think positive. I'm not the best of the best. Pero yung faith ko po in being better is there. For me po, I'm not here because of parang fame, fortune. Gusto ko lang po talaga mag-perform talaga. I feel home na nandito ako.
Great actresses like Gina are born out of hunger and so hindi siya dahil gusto lang ni Gina umarte. Gusto niya dahil nagugutom siya para to. Kailangan niyang gawin.
Kailangan ng gagaling sa loob. Kung ano yun ang gagaling sa loob, yun ang dapat lumalabas. Ang lumalabas sa amin ngayon, sa'yo, is all, sorry for the term, kaplastikan. Okay? Kasi parang everything is okay, everything, I'm positive.
Parang you don't want to get out of your shell to speak out, sing out. No? Hanggang dun lang. At project. Yan. I want to see you. I want to hear you.
You have a very good dancing ability and a potential to dance well. And I will not want to see that later on. I need to see brilliant, beautiful, and heartfelt dancing.
And, well, I know you can do it. You just have to, labas mo lang, Enzo. Push it. Life is hard. Showbiz is harder.
Hindi ko sinasisi na ikaw ay galing sa isang mabuting pamilya at sa isang may kayang pamilya. Okay? You don't know hardship, so hindi mo maramdaman kung ano ang sakit, kung ano ang hirap nang kumakalam ang tiyan mo at wala kang kinakain. Very vague sa'yo yon. Hindi mo alam yon. Diba? Wala kang library of emotions dyan. Remove all that. Remove all that and be a human being.
Get out of your comfort zone kasi there's
Get
more
out of
life.
your comfort.
And good luck.
Good luck,
God
Enzo.
bless you.
Good luck.
Thank you
Guwapo
po.
ka pa rin, Enzo. Thank you.
I feel very challenged na alam ko yung mga sinabi nila na kailangan hugutin ko talaga deep within yung mga performances ko. So I personally feel that right now na I really have to push myself. Ano siya, parang yung feeling na parang ano kaya ginawa kong mali. Nararamdaman ko yung pressure, yung tension.
Tinutukan ng mentors ang singing, dancing, personality, at acting skills ng survivors. Pero nitong nagdaang mga araw, napasabak sa isang hosting test sa top rating late night show na Cool Center.
Maraming inihandang sorpresa ang Cool Center para sa lahat ng mga loyal na Cool Center Kabarkadas tonight.
That's not all. May ilang eksenang papakilig, may mananalo ng big prizes.
Siguradong marami mag-uunahan tumawag tonight, kaya dalian nyo na po. Well, let's find out from Kimpi himself sa tawag ng pangangailangan.
Marami na nga siyang napasaya at napabilib dahil sa kaiba niyang paggalaw.
皆様お待ちかねのクールセンターを日本へ広めてくださるすっごいお方ジャッキー・ウーさん作ミュージックビデオもうすぐ見られますよ Watch this!
O ano survivors? Happy ba kayo sa kanya-kanyang performance?
Sobrang saya at saka honored and blessed kami na nabigyan kami ng chance na mag-try ng mag-host doon sa show na yun.
Sobrang masaya kasi dapat kailangan ko mas experience, with hosting. So,
Medyo mas mahirap yung akin kasi wala sa script. I-translate ko lang siya sa Japanese. Kaya medyo nataranta ako pero siguro hindi masyado halata.
Nitong Lunes, nagulantang si Steven sa sorpresang hatid ni Dennis.
They are not just assignment. They are also past stops. You have the option na ipasa ang chore ninyo for that day to the boss.
thanks a lot, Dennis. Thanks.
So, pwede natin paggawa sa 3 times. 3 times? Steven.
3 times.
I love you so much.
Come on. One each.
I'm still confused. So, we can give this stuff to you.
No, we have the option to give this stuff to you for you to do the job.
For the day.
For the day.
For the week. Wait.
You're the boss.
Am I really the boss?
Yeah. Remember what you did last night?
Parang hindi talaga boss ako. Parang they're just telling me what to do. I'm the slave of the week.
Sipag-sipagan ng lahat.